I installed a new pool pump and it just makes a humming noise.
The most common reason why this would happen is most swimming pool pumps, depending on the size of the motor, can run at either 110 volts or 220 volts or 120, 240, depending on where you live. The way that the pump comes from the manufacturer is wired for 220. So if you were to provide 110 power to a pump set up for 220, it will turn on in the sense that it will hum and make noise, but it won't ramp up fully and it won't be able to prime or move water. The reason why the pump comes like this from the factory is if you were to connect 110 to a pump set up for 220, it won't damage anything. It just won't function either. You'll get a humming noise and that's pretty much it. If the reverse were to happen, if you were to provide 220 volt power to a pump set up for only 110 volts, you very likely will smoke the pump and break it in that process. So that's why all pump manufacturers wire their pumps for 220, and if you provided 110 power to that, you will result in a humming noise and the pump just won't be